Nestled amidst the towering pines of Valle de Bravo, Casa El Pinar stands as a testament to harmonious living. This modern home, a creation of César Flores, is more than just a dwelling, it's a dialogue with the natural world. Respectful of the surrounding landscape, the house weaves through the sloped terrain, preserving every existing tree. Its minimalist footprint allows the forest to take center stage, creating a verdant embrace that envelopes the structure. Rising from the earth like a contemporary treehouse, Casa El Pinar is built using raw, natural materials. FSC-certified pine beams intertwined with exposed concrete, steel, and local stone, both inside and out. The true luxury lies in the simplicity of the design and the constant connection to the whispering pines. Imagine a concrete base, clad in rugged stone, housing the utilitarian spaces like a hidden root system. Above, a textured concrete wall adorns the north facade, mimicking the weathered bark of a giant. A stone staircase, camouflaged against the base, leads to the main entrance. One side of the house offers a sense of seclusion, shielding from the elements, while the opposite side unfolds with expansive windows, inviting warmth and sunlight. This constant connection to the forest fosters a sense of serenity, a symphony of rustling leaves and dappled light. At the heart of the home lies a unique twist. A sweet gum tree thrives within a glass-enclosed courtyard. This living centerpiece acts as a natural divider, separating the public areas yet maintaining a visual connection, fostering a sense of airy spaciousness. Concrete floors contrast beautifully with the warmth of exposed structural pine beams and plywood ceilings. The color scheme echoes the natural tones. Black accents frame the windows and doorways, complemented by black and gray furnishings. The entire project exudes a sense of honesty and simplicity. Here, form and function intertwine, existing as a unified expression. Clear-story windows bathe the hallways and rooms in a soft, natural glow. A long hallway, reminiscent of a hidden forest path, connects the living areas to the private spaces. Each of the 3 bedrooms boasts its own bathroom and closet, offering a haven of tranquility. At the far end, a concrete bungalow, connected by a jacuzzi-equipped terrace, houses the TV room and a guest bedroom. Just like the main house, it opens graciously to the south, blurring the lines between indoors and outdoors. From any vantage point within Casa El Pinar, the trunks of the pine trees frame the verdant vistas. With its clean lines and uncluttered materials, this understated retreat beckons reflection and invites you to fully immerse yourself in the embrace of nature.